Want to use Afterpay at online stores that don't directly integrate with them? Afterpay's One-Time Card allows you to do just that, bringing their buy now, pay later flexibility to more merchants. In this guide, I'll show you how to set up and use a one-time card on Afterpay. To set up a one-time card, open the Afterpay app on your smartphone. Look for a section related to card or in-store shopping. You'll typically find an option to generate one-time card or use Afterpay everywhere. When you're ready to make a purchase at an eligible online store, tap on this option. Afterpay will generate a unique virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV for that specific transaction, along with an approved spending limit. Finally, use these generated card details at the merchant's checkout page, just like you would with a regular credit card. The purchase amount will then be split into Afterpay's 4 interest-free installments. Remember, the card is valid for a single transaction. And there you have it. Setting up a one-time card on Afterpay expands your shopping options. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.